All right, so we are at Pete's camp, and this place is very nice. It has the souvenir store and the office. And it also has a very nice restaurant with bar and full restaurant, parking spots, and here is something that you might recognize if you've been to San Felipe. San Felipe Mountains and the ocean. Looks like today we have tied out, but nevertheless it's gonna be a nice walk, and I like to come to the ocean every day and walk 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour, about 2.5 miles. Yep, this is private residences here, and then we go down to the ocean on this paved road. All right, so here people that come with trailers and motorhomes, there is a full hookup here. Not cheap. I think it's over $1,000 per month, or $60-80 per day. Some people still walking. You see there, walking their dogs and stuff. But tied in or tied out, it's nice. Fresh today. It's very cool. I mean, even in Los Angeles, I think it's pretty cool. And here we have, I don't know, 65 degrees. So it's still warm compared even to Los Angeles. You know, and it's a little crazy when I think about places like San Diego, just a couple hours away. The American-US border just 120 miles away, like 2.5 hours. And I think in places like San Diego and Los Angeles, it's gonna be, of course, north this way. This is south. This is more like, this is a way to go to Cabo, San Lucas. But people in those areas and in those metropolitan areas paying a lot of money. You go on the beach, if you want to be on the beach in San Diego, the lifestyle is gonna cost you many times more than here. And here I am walking on the empty beach. It's a sunset almost, but not quite yet. My favorite time to walk on the beach, but you can come at sunrise. Now it's, I guess it's 6:35 a.m. And if you're that person, you're early bird, you're gonna enjoy it as much. Yeah, it's 68 degrees actually. It's very cool. It's very cold. 68 degrees Fahrenheit. What is around 20 Celsius. It's very cool. Those fancy sand buggies. I've seen only one today, but yeah, they're having fun.